ERP is not a new concept, as many of your audience may know. It's existed for about, I'd say, since the 90s or even 80s, so it's been around for some time. Companies already realize or have recognized the value of ERP by seeing increased productivity, reduced cost, and enhanced decision making. I believe ERP is more of a need rather than a want in today's market. So, and a lot of companies already realize this. What we're seeing today is that clients are coming to us for asking for upgrades from their existing ERPs. A lot of clients already have an ERP system in place. So they're coming to us for upgrades because they're realizing that their current systems that they've had in place for years are not really meeting their current requirements. Does a business need an ERP? Of course, it needs an ERP, but it needs the right ERP. A lot of the businesses we're seeing, they're moving to globally renowned solutions such as Oracle NetSuite, and we're basically an Oracle NetSuite solution provider, and we can definitely help them with this. BI is synonymous with reporting, dashboards, and data visualizations. So basically what I think business intelligence is about establishing the right strategy and technology to get data into the hands of decision makers. So it involves collecting, storing, and analyzing data for enhanced business performance. So in terms of collecting, BI needs to have an organization to have multiple operational systems in order for it to be considered a BI solution. So BI needs to pull from the different data sources available in an enterprise, combine it all in a central repository, and then output it for the different user groups in the company. So in terms of collection, a BI system needs to have the capability to connect to different sources and collect that data from those sources. Now, storing is another characteristic. Storing, BI solutions need to have a certain capability. The database tables need to be designed in a certain way in order for it to be suitable for data retrieval for analysts and senior managers in the company. So the BI queries need to be, or the database queries need to be written in a certain way, and the tables need to be designed in a certain way in order for it to be usable by company data users. Yeah, and the third characteristic is data analysis, or analyzing the data. So the data is basically needs to be usable by the different user groups in the company. So for your senior management, you're going to have your executive dashboards that they can use either by through their desktop applications or through mobile apps or mobile BI. And the other component of data availability should be through self-serve BI or through data cubes that are pre-processed for the use of analysts and strategists in the company. ERP is more of a process management tool, where BI is more of a reporting tool. ERP is used by staff within the company that does the day-to-day job, whereas BI is used by senior managers or product managers or analysts in the company to analyze what those day-to-day activities are, what this transactional data is. So they must coexist. I mean, some ERP systems already have a BI layer or a BI tool within the same system. but that has its own limitations. That's why a lot of companies actually choose to go with a standalone BI solution that sits on top of their existing ERP or their other operational systems. So just to conclude, there is no BI without ERP, and ERP is not beneficial without BI. So that's exactly why they must coexist. Mazars in the UAE and globally, they realized that the future of business is digital, and they've decided to invest in technology and innovation within the UAE and globally. So I'm definitely very excited for this. For the technology division, from a business development point of view, we're looking to grow our Oracle NetSuite portfolio. We had a strong last year for our Oracle NetSuite application, so we are looking to continue with that momentum that we had last year to this year. We're also looking to grow our database management services or solutions and services, as well as Oracle NetSuite. From a product development point of view, we have a couple of initiatives that we're working on currently, and they are in the prototype phase. One is related to continuous audit, and the other is related to self-service BI through mobile as well. So both of these are supposed to hopefully roll out at the end of Q1 this calendar year.